Anyway, work not they finish for here. Now, I'm try to now. This is 6 years on. Chinedu Udoji. Award to Chinedu Udoji. Award to Chinedu Udoji. I know that guy you interviewed a lot.
Now my bros that year, because then in family house they for Onitsha then, and I been they work for Anambra at that time. So in the way anytime when they come around, they call me. Saying they come around and we they hang out, they do very, and we speak like 1 week before that incident. When you tell me saying they come, all of a sudden I just did studio they work that day. Now I can't see the news.
Accident.
I don't know how to. I need to just organize myself, finish that show, go outside. I call him phone number immediately. Make I show.
I still get a number.
Yes.
I never agree delete them.
Because how person will call you, tell you say in they come, you don't they prepare, say, man, we'll go hang out as we they hang out, we'll go chill, you know. Senior man, I would they call him that time. And all of a sudden, I just see the news. I call him. Now one of the most sorrowful days for me as regards story for Nigerian League. He paid me. He paid me. And the only way I just talk now and I say, may he rest in peace. And I know, say, even they look down on us right now, he could be very happy. Say, would they promote the league when dedicating life
It did,
to.
actually.
Yeah.
It did.
Yeah.
Your experience with Chinedu?
Honestly, me, I call him skipper of all skippers.
Yeah.
Because along the line, we meet a certain time for Abba. Then he tell me, say, like the way I dey play and things like that. But say, make I always dey fear him.
Well, none of them ever agree for themselves, these guys. Even if they compliment you, be like, but I go take you on.
Talk.
Alright. Coachy.
You get 1 year we will go play FA Cup for Benin against Enyimba. And we knocked them out. And imagine the club, they very small that time, Remo Stars.
Not be too done and not get respect.
And imagine.
They don't get Remo, don't get respect.
They go Enam when they hopefully win the league.
When we don't end them already.
They don't end them, don't forget. Now Sporting 9 they say they go
So
end
now
them.
the trophy,
Remo don't take over where Sporting Day.
So for you now the trophy now just the
just to feel the cabinet.
No,
to
show
say
don't do am.
okay, no be
So
lie.
as we reach hotel, past like 1 hour or maybe 45 minutes, I see somebody show up. My captain can't call me for room. Say somebody won't see the players. As we come outside, now Udoji.
Mad. Opposition captain, no?
Yes.
Mad.
Say, he won't tell the boys, say, sky is their limit. Say they played very well.
Mad.
And he give them 100,000.
Mad.
Wow.
Say, make they take buy something. And that was how my relationship with him started.
That's a leader.
We be say, no time we will know the talk before game. Sometimes he go call me, coach, you watch my game today. Waiting make him do again. Waiting he need to do again.
Wait, I'm sorry. As he don't grow rich, the guy still they get that kind of conversation.
Person we they ready to learn. Nah. And like you said, the day of his demise, I think in that game against Enyimba.
Yes. They were supposed to play Ex-Kano Pillars Enyimba.
They played that match.
And he called that he's going to the camp of Enyimba.
Yeah. They actually go.
So, and he called me to say that I dey go Enyimba camp, coach. I go call you if I don't reach my own camp back. And that was the end. So I no get too much word to talk about Udoji pass, say making so rest in peace.
Yeah.
Now person will be say he won't promote the league with everything where he get the whole of in life. If they play with the whole of in life.
Yeah.
If to say Nafi didn't die, maybe I for no 2 days sad.
Yeah.
Because now waiting he wants.
Yeah.
They leave everything for the pitch.
For the pitch.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, how he take die, the stories around in death. May God give him in soul rest of mind. And those behind, may God keep them safe.
May God keep them. Well, thank you so much, guys.